Coming to the stage is the one and only Sandra Kaima.
Hi, my name is Sandra Kaima. I have been a personal advisor for over 13 years. Dr. Miles Monroe stated that the graveyard is the richest place on the planet of the earth because there you'll find books that have never been published. There you'll find ideas that have never been harnessed. There you'll find songs that have never been sung. There you'll find drama pieces that have never been acted. I believe that we all have the resources to fulfill our full potential. I used to think that success was about having a great job that paid well, until I found myself sitting in the staff car park, holding onto my steering wheel, shaking and crying uncontrollably, because my body didn't want to go back into work. You see, I had been bullied. I had been put on performance improvement plan, not once, but twice. The second time, it sparkled something inside of me. I had my co-workers talking about speaking to the union representative. So I went to speak to the union representative. Whilst I was sitting down, my supervisor walked past. In fear, I quickly ran to my desk. He immediately came up to me and told me that I was no longer on performance improvement plan. That reiterated to me that I had been bullied. In that moment, I realized I never had savings for myself and I never had savings for my daughter. I had allowed someone to have power over my livelihood. I also realized that success is not about having a great job that paid well. Success is about having freedom of choice. I therefore went on my savings journey and I bought my first home. And I've also been able to publish my father's book and make his wishes come true. On that journey, I also realized that I had a gift. I had a gift to help people fulfill their full potential in life. I never want anyone to go through what I went through when I sat in the staff car park, holding onto the steering wheel, shaking and crying uncontrollably. And I never want anyone to be financially unprepared. That's why I have the Financial Empowerment Program, which has 6 principles. Principle number 1, the power in earning. Principle number 2, the power in spending. Principle number 3, the power in overcoming money blocks. Principle number 4, the power in savings. Principle number 5, the power in investment. And principle number 6, the power in giving. Now, put your hands up if you want to fulfill your full potential in life. If you want to fulfill your full potential in life, please sign up. I urge you to sign up to sandrakaima.com so that you can live the life that you deserve for yourself and your family. Thank you.